so we hopped in the side-by-side and drove over there a couple times knocking on the door.
And they didn't answer.
Nope.
I don't know, the address and everything was correct. I don't know why I didn't have it in the beginning.
They told me that they changed the sticker.
Yeah, but the address, I looked at it last night, everything was legit.
Huh.
Everything was legit except the sticker.
Wow.
And that's what threw me off. I'm gonna get the two. We got,
Oh, you got a dolly? Okay.
Yeah, this one right here. This right here, when I this display on here last night. But all of this under here was legit.
So they literally dropped it off in the wrong place.
Yeah, I guess they was gonna leave it.
Yep.
Until they put the FBI tag. We just gotta roll it. We're gonna roll right on
Yep,
there.
that's fine. Thank you, sir.
Sorry about that, man.
That's okay.
Wish I was knew ahead of time. I'm gonna give you my number. Something like that happen again, call me.
Okay. Yeah, give me that. That'll work. Yeah, because I got a lady and she gave me her personal cell phone number,
Yeah.
but I felt bad because I didn't want
Call her. If she gave it to you, she wants you to call her.
to. Yep.
But you call me if anything like that ever happened again.
Will do, buddy. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess they gave it to the wrong driver. I'm like, yeah, give it to my driver.
He
He knows
should've-
what's up.
He should have looked at the regular driver, whoever had it,
Thank you.
they knew it wasn't a 02. That's the difference between Tuss and
Yeah.
Tuss on that side is 02, Tuss on this side is 03. So whoever delivered it, the guy that delivered it on his route, he should have seen it was a 03, not
Yeah.
a 02. So
Yeah. It is what it is. At
and
least
then
we
it
got
did,
it.
you know what happened? It did. I did see this. It said this label said 7th Street.
Oh, okay.
Not, and when I seen this, the regular under there
Yeah.
it said 17th Street.
Yeah, and
So-
she,
That's
so
she
crazy.
Said, she said the people opened it, but did they? I don't know.
Yeah, they might have did.
Yeah, it's hard to say.
But, hey, that FBI tag got it back.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Guys, this thing has gone through a journey to get to us. First of all, we got to thank our friend Jason Perry. He's a channel subscriber to R.N.G Performance. Hit the like, share, and subscribe button if you haven't done it already. He is what made this possible. He donated this to the channel for us to, well, have fun with. But before we get into opening it, I want to talk about the wonderful journey that it had went on. It was supposed to be delivered last Thursday, and it said it was, but it wasn't here at my house. UPS put this on the wrong truck. Well, it went to the wrong house, actually just a few roads down. Not far at all. So I called UPS to track down the package, and they did their GPS locating to see where it was scanned and dropped off at. And the driver went back to the house and tried to get it, and nobody would answer. So the lady had given me her personal cell phone number at the UPS facility and gave me the address of where it was so I could try. So we hopped in this bad boy on Friday and Saturday and Sunday and went down multiple times to try to retrieve the package, and nobody would answer the door. Well, in the midst of us hopping in this multiple times and going and trying to retrieve this, the UPS drivers and their supervisors had went also to try and answer the door and couldn't. So they left a note and they stated they were going to get the police involved and a whole mess. Well, just so happened yesterday I got a phone call that says the driver was able to go to the house again, and they caught a lady getting out of her car just that nick of time and came up to the lady and asked for the package. Now, from what I understand, they didn't want to give up the package, act like they didn't have it, blah, blah, blah. Well, then they mentioned they were going to wait for the police to arrive, and all of a sudden, she had the package in her garage, and they retrieved it. Now, it was opened by these people, so we're going to go through it, and we're going to find out. And if there's anything missing or tampered with, we're going to go through the proper channels of making sure that they are dealt with correctly. So, let's open this box and see what we have in it. I'm excited, aren't you? Now looky here, guys. We have a ZForce 950 engine. It's just a long block, has no intakes, has no clutching, has no sensors, but the engine is there, it's complete. However, it is blown up. This subscriber, thank you, I appreciate you, he reached out to me and said, hey, you know what I can do with this motor? And I said, depends upon what you want for it. I've been looking for one to rebuild and put big bore kits in. We want to build our own big bore kit, maybe do some cams. He says, listen, I will send you this, you pay for shipping. Shipping wasn't that much. Shipping only cost $125. Well, you get what you pay for. UPS, nah, UPS was great, you know, it was just an accident, not a big deal. But $125 to ship this engine. So all these dealers charging you $300 to ship an engine, they're ripping you off because you can do it for 125 bucks. I know, I got the invoice. So I paid the shipping and he sent it, donated it, free will to R.N.G. So the plan for this thing, and maybe we can get to it this week while we're waiting on other stuff to come for that build. I want to rip it down, see what it happened to it exactly, and hopefully we can rebuild it if everything's good inside like we think it is. It's supposed to be locked up. It did run and then locked up. So we're gonna take it apart. We want to port and polish the heads. We want to do big bore kit. And then I have a plan for something to put this in. You guys got any ideas? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think I'm gonna put it in. Okay, because if we build it, we're able to build it, it's gonna go in something, and that something does not exist in my garage yet. So the full plan on this, we're gonna do a teardown video. We're gonna go over what happened to it. We're gonna show you how easy these are to work on. So you dealer techs out there that can't turn a wrench for shit, pay attention to these videos. You need them. All right, guys, that's all for this one. Wait till the next one this week and we start tearing into this puppy. Peace out and God bless. Hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to check out our website, www.rngperformance.net.